Hi friends, we are creating wonderful business websites using WordPress. In every websites, blogs are being integral part nowadays and we are publishing regular blogs and articles to drive traffic on our website. So content marketing mainly depends on the blog post that is being posted on your website on regular basis. So WordPress by default, WordPress themes brings blog section certainly with all the layouts. So in this video, I am going to discuss and I am going to show you a very useful element that you can use in your blog post for adding blocks, design elements at your blog post. So let me show you a practical example. This is a blog post and first I'll show you this is a blog on this website and it has contents, images and all such things. Let us assume you want to add pricing table on this blog post. So you might be thinking how you can add the pricing table. It is going to be very difficult until you are designing HTML and putting some plugin and all. So it can be a pricing table, it can be a banner, it can be different layouts that you want to add. Like this is a picture, simple picture that has been added in this blog post, and you might be willing to have more interactive things, call to action things at this particular blog. How you can do this? So this is the topic that we are going to discuss in this video, and I'm going to give you a very perfect and free, easy to use solution. Let us take some practical examples, then I'll show you how I am able to do all these things, how I am able to add all these elements at the blog post very easily. So let us edit this blog. So this is the edit page of this blog post and I am willing to add the pricing table. Let us assume. So I am simply clicking on add block as it is regularly available in all WordPress setups. So I'm going to browse pricing table, let us say, or I can choose all the browse all options. So I'll first check with the pricing table. So this is pricing table available. So I can directly click on this to insert this pricing table here. Yes, it is added simply without any trouble, and I can edit it further without any hassle or trouble. So I can change the price and all the thing. So it is designed pricing table directly inserted at my blog post, and I can remove this as well, of course. So as we can insert it, we can remove this and we can further delete this section. So we can add columns as per our requirements in the default WordPress blog posting styles. So it is of course the blog editor or the Gutenberg editor, whatever you may say. So for adding this pricing table or many elements, I am browsing all and I'm clicking on patterns. So this pattern are the main thing that we are going to discuss and we are discussing already. So these are patterns that we can directly use at our blog post. So I'll show you all patterns. These are patterns, ready to use patterns, and I use this pricing table. Similarly, banners and the call to action things are here. Like all are divided, like banners are here, call to actions, control blog patterns, like we can control these blog patterns. How I did this, I'm going to show you, don't worry. So watch this video until end, it is really very important. So if you are posting blogs on regular basis and if you are having a blog website directly, so it is going to helpful for all users having WordPress website. Similarly, you can add footers, gallery sections, directly gallery, headers, post and text element. So you can explore all patterns. So where these patterns are coming from? This is pattern directory. 78 patterns are readily available that we can directly use at our blog post, and we can simply choose any pattern and click on insert pattern like I did for the pricing table. So I am already using the pricing table at blog post for this website. Similarly, there are many sections like blog section, design, service section, and the minimalist header, gallery, and the gradient pricing table. And I'm already using this pricing table. So similarly, you can choose any of these ready to use patterns directly at your blogs section. And this all things are coming from a plugin called block pattern. So what is this plugin name? I'm going to show you. This is a free plugin, so you can simply use this plugin for your post, and it is directly going to add block at your. So this is control block pattern plugin, and it is available at WordPress repositories itself by sales flame, and you can search this plugin for installation at your WordPress record. And this plugin is available for free to use, of course. So control block patterns is the plugin that I am using for inserting the block pattern. And why it is control block pattern, I'm going to show you again. So this is the section where that we got in this plugin installation, and I have already inserted the price table. You can use as many as block patterns you want to use, and you can simply browse the directory. I have already shown you in the directory screen. You can choose any of these block patterns. It is the similar thing that we are using like reusable blocks. I have already made a video on reusable blocks, how you can use the reusable blocks. You can watch the particular video. I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel and watching all the videos, where all the videos brings special elements for your WordPress website. Yes, you can watch. And if not a subscriber, you may please consider subscribing this channel. Okay, so all the block patterns are available, as I said. And why it is controlled, you can go in the setting and you can control all the block patterns that you want to insert in your pages, not pages, basically blog post that is using the Gutenberg. If your website is using Gutenberg or block editor, you can directly use that in pages as well. You have all the controls on the block patterns, like banners, you can disable buttons and all these things. So you can simply explore at your own end, and you can selectively remove all call to action block patterns from the list of registered block patterns. So it is under full control. Wherever you want to, whatever you want to remove, you can do this. Directly I have already shown you, you can create new block patterns. So I was saying it is similar thing like we are using reusable block at the pages, and you can create your own block pattern using your own codes, PHP code or even HTML codes. So it is also available for you, and so that will be available for inserting directly on the post. And you can categorize and use keywords as well. So this is going to be really helpful when you wish to add certain type of elements and design at your blog post. So it is totally free and easy to use, and it is definitely going to enhance the quality of your blog post and interactivity with the users. So I believe if you are using blogs at your WordPress website or having a blog website, you are going to use this feature. It is really very helpful in optimizing your blog quality, and you are going to get all these benefits at your site as well. So in the next video, I'm coming with more solution. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.